we are just joining, if you are just watching this, my name is Baraka Turaji and I am the CEO of BLT Telecoms. Yeah, let's proceed. So now I want to teach you how to buy data. In this video, I'll be explaining different types of data that we have, the corporate gifting, the SME, everything. I'm going to be explaining this and airtime. I'll be breaking it down. Yeah. So to buy data, you have this particular form like that you have to fill. You have to fill the network, the plan type, the data plan, and the phone number. For the network, you choose, let's say for example, I want to buy a Glo because I can remember my Glo number. Then your plan type. Now we have gifting, we have SME, we have corporate gifting. Listen, so this gifting is not available for Glo, it's only available for MTN. Do you understand? Gifting is only available for MTN. In times to come, in future to come, we might have, but we are going to update you, of course. So for SME, it is for Glo. For SME, for Glo, it is like a cheaper version of the normal plan. Do you get? It's like a daily plan, a daily, monthly, and weekly plan. They have daily plans. But for corporate gifting, it is, so SME is always cheaper. I forgot to add that it's always cheaper. It's always very, very cheaper. But corporate gifting is a little more expensive and it is 30 days validity. So if you are the kind of person that cannot finish 1 gig in a day, you cannot finish 1 gig in like 3 days, corporate gifting is for you. You know that you're buying quality and last much, you get, and for the fact that you don't use so much data. But for someone like me that uses data every day, corporate gifting is not for me, to get. SME is for me. So let's compare the prices and the days validity. So we click on SME. So yeah, for SME we can see we have 750 naira for 200 naira per day. That's ridiculously cheap. 1.5 gig for 300. Do you get? It makes sense. If it's for someone like me now that uses 2 3 gig in a day, it is here that is definitely for me. So 2.5 gig for 500 and 10 gig for 2000. So you can see the validity. The 10 gig, you have to finish it in 7 days. If you don't finish it up in 7 days, it will expire and you cannot renew or something. I don't know how MTN users do it. Yeah, you cannot renew. If you finish it, you finish it. So if you're someone that uses up so much data, you know the plan that is for you. You're welcome. So now let's go to corporate gifting. You can see there's difference. 1 gig, 1.5 gig on gifting on SME was 300 naira. You can see just 1 gig is already 415 naira. So the difference is so much. 10 gig on that other one was how much? 2000 naira. And 10 gig here is double the price, 4150 naira. But you can see everything has 1 month validity. So you just choose what works for you. Do you understand? So like I explained, if you don't use so much data, this is your go-to plan because it lasts a little longer than SME and you will not be wasting money. Basically, you will not be wasting money. So yeah, and if you feel like you are okay with this, so that's fine. And we have low planners, 200 naira per MB, you get 75 naira. So 210 naira for 500 MB. Do you understand? So basically, but if you are someone that consumes so much data, you know what you do. That's for Glo. It's the same thing with Glo applies to Airtel, but I think I'm going to use Airtel too. So for MTN, we have three plan. I've cancelled corporate gifting because it is not available, but before it was. So the two basic ones are SME and gifting. Now the gifting in this case, gifting for MTN is the cheapest, right? Is the cheapest. Let's go through it together. So we have a couple of plan here, and here is it. So we have 1 gig here for 360 naira per day, and with that 360 naira, you're still going to get 3 minutes free call, 3 minutes call. Do you understand? So if you buy 1 gig, though everything is going to last for a day, but you can have 1 gig that day and extra 3 minutes call. So if you are someone that uses so much data and does not even really call people like that, it's a perfect plan. So we have 3.2 gig for 1025 naira, 5 gig for 1570, blah 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 blah. You can see all the validity is 1 day, 2 day, 7 day. So even except the 200 gig, which is what, 2 months validity, and we have 75 gig, which is a month, so that's 30 days. You understand? But you have to finish all of them within the stipulated time. Good. So now let's go to our SME. So here, in Glo, corporate gifting was like the 30 days validity plan, but here it is what? It is SME. So let's see, 1 gig here is what? 665 naira per month. So if 1 gig on the other one is per day is 360 naira, you can see that it is almost half of the price. 2 gig, yeah, this one is always consecutive, 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. We don't have 5 gig for this plan, so you just should check it. If I'm the type that I've met someone that used 1 gig for like a week before. So if you are the type, you just know that this is what you are getting, because if you buy 1 gig for a day, it would expire and you might not finish it up. I hope you understand. So basically that is it with this. That's the difference. And for Airtel, it's just exactly the same thing as Glo. And the only difference, like I said in the beginning of my video, is that this Airtel SME, you don't buy it to a number that is owing Airtel. You don't, at all. You don't buy Airtel SME to a number that is owing Airtel, either data or airtime. As long as they are owing Airtel, you are going to send the data will be successful, but Airtel will not release the data. Even if you repay your debt, they will not release it, they will swallow it. Do you get? So that's like a warning. So if you're a data vendor, mostly this explanation is explicit enough for you to know what to choose, and to now you are going to design your plans. Do you understand? You can make money from buying data, you can make a lot of money. I made a lot of money from selling data. So just the same protocol. The only difference is that your you're going to be putting your customer's number instead of your number. You can say I have series of number here. So let's say they are my customers. I just put the number and you send the data to them. Add your own profit. Let's say for example now Airtel SME, that is, let me look for 3, okay, 3 gig for 1095 naira. You can tell your customer that it is 15 or 13 or 12. So you get the money from them, fund your wallet. You can fund your wallet with 11 because of charges. Then the remaining 200, 300 or 400 naira profit is for you. So you can start a business with us, like get a source of income like that, get a design and publicize. You're going to make a good money from it, and it's like a side hustle, yeah. So that is basically it. And for this bypass phone number, for example, if there is a number, an MTN number, there are some particular codes that used to be designated to, okay, this code is for this number, like 070, it's for MTN or Airtel. Do you get? Be 0701 but now it is changed. There have been a mix up. If you put your number on the system or your customer's number on the system, and the system is saying that it is not a Glo number or it is not an MTN number, don't argue, just click on bypass number validator, bypass phone number, so it would not worry about it being correct or not. Then you purchase. But if you are the one at fault that you made a mistake, and you gave a wrong, maybe you gave an MTN number to an Airtel number and it did not end up going through and your money was debited, just know that that was a fault from your end. Do you get? So that is that on airtime. So now let's go to buy data. Data, let's go to airtime. Airtime is very easy. For network, you choose whatever network you want. For network side, BTU and Share, they are the same thing. Honestly, they are the same thing. Just choose anything, they are the same price, everything. So let's say you see this number, it told me already, but if I know that okay, it is MTN, though it is Glo, I'll just click on bypass and it will not worry. But let's use an MTN number. So yeah, then you click on the amount, let's say 5,000. Then you get a 99%, like you get a 1% off, like yeah, 1% discount. Basically we should work on increasing it, but for now that's what it is. Do you understand? Then you purchase, that's all. You get to buy your airtime, it's not hard. So yeah, basically that is it. So we look forward to increasing the percentage. So that's that on how to buying data and airtime on Beyond Telecoms. I've explained all the calls, the differences, the types. And for Nine Mobile, if you say I did not get to it, Nine Mobile has just one plan, and that's corporate gifting. So you don't have issue. You just buy what you see. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for choosing Beyond Telecoms, and bye bye. My next video is going to be on cable subscription and um Go TV, cable subscription, and what's it called, and electricity bill payments. So afterwards, we have resolve checkers and bulk SMS and airtime to cash. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.